beautiful people, welcome to our Seychelles adventure. Today we're heading to the north of Mai. On our way, we saw a beautiful view of the Eden village. These are luxury holiday rentals on the man-made Eden Island, offering waterfront apartments with stunning views of the marina, ocean, and Mai's mountain, featuring amenities like private beaches, clubhouse, and access to shopping and dining at Eden Plaza. So now we are on our way to Seychelles Waterfall, located near Poglo, next to a church and wetlands area. If you're driving like us, just be cautious on the narrow roads with steep drops. We parked our car completely at the end where the office is. There are parking spots for about 10 vehicles. The entrance fee is 50 Seychelles rupees, about 5 AUD or 150 Mauritian rupees. Guys, one more thing, do not pay or accept help from unofficial guides near the church or parking. They may try to charge exorbitant fees or claim you need them, which is not true. Just go directly to the final parking. You'll see a man with his dog. That's where you should pay.
Alright, so we just bought our ticket to go to visit the waterfall. So it's called... Oh, it's a private waterfall. So on private property, so we paid about $6 per person. So it calls Seychelles Waterfall, right? Yeah,
So the road is a little bit tricky.
Yeah.
And you don't have like information on the road.
No,
it's
there's no
not
information.
written.
No. So you just need to put your GPS and just follow the road and come all the way up. If someone tried to stop you asking for money or something like that, so don't stop. But the people that will stop you is more like they try to get money off you to park the car or for parking or something like that. So just be careful of that, and yeah, just keep coming straight until you at the end of the road. Then you will see a little house. That's where the guardian or whatever how you call it is here, and you pay with him. So yeah, we paid about $6 per person.
Yes, around 50 rupees Seychelles.
Yes.
And well, we should be careful. Yesterday it's been raining a lot.
Yeah, it's been raining a lot yesterday, all night and early this morning as well. So we may have a good waterfall, plenty of water. That would be beautiful, I suppose. Yeah. Very beautiful nature, look at that. It's so beautiful.
We had a nice walk in the nature about 10 minutes from the parking to see the beautiful waterfall. It's a very popular destination for nature lovers. The waterfall itself cascades down a series of rocky cliffs into a refreshing pool below. You can take a dip in the cool waters or simply relax by the waterfall to soak in the natural beauty of the area. We got very lucky on that day. It was raining at night, so we had an amazing waterfall, but just be careful guys, it's very muddy everywhere.
Huh? As we're just driving past the house, and so there's plenty of crafts that they do, so it's really nice. Really.
Ok.
Tous les affaires derrière. Oh, le plus master.
Ça y va, chez la maison.
C'est ça.
Ah, ok.
Ah, joli ça. Super top. Il fait petit vidéo. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Monsieur pas content.
Ok. Super. Le shark. Requin. Requin aussi. So all these are sharks.
Super.
Shark's mouth. That's nice. Ah. Very good. And coco fish.
Ja, maar dat ook best. Lekker
No?
met de koolmeren.
Merci. So, vous vendez tout avec Banjimoudou?
Oui, nous vendons tout des lines de l'Apli.
Ah, ok, ouais.
Un peu l'Apli.
Oui, ok.
Oui.
Ok.
Bien.
Ok. So, guys, there's coconut. Wow. Look at these guys make cup with coconut. Oh, that's the lead. So that's the lead for that coconut. So cool. A real cocoa. It made also the coconut oil.
Man-made.
Man-made.
Hey, look.
Look at that.
That's the cocoa face in like coconut.
Yeah, but they made it with a normal coconut because they couldn't get the real.
Le paquet doit amener hein.
Oh, look at this one. Cup.
Souvenir.
Wow.
It's paquet doit amener hein. Il paraît que moi le coco mais.
They're all man-made. They're all man-made, guys. Look at that.
Je prends deux, combien? Deux, merci. Il y a différents.
Oh, in any. Fine. And then today you have your.
Guys, if you're passing by Seychelles Waterfall, we highly recommend to stop at this colorful house. These people are so friendly. They even sell the souvenirs including cocoa fizz, coconut oil and lots of Seychelles stuff.
Bonjour. Banane combien? Des roupies N. T'es là tous les jours? Bonjour.
On va venir encore la fin de mon cri à la fin. Pas les soirs, ouais.
So that is fish and chips, nuggets and chips, fish and burger.
Non, tu fais fini.
Fini? Et là.
So guys, we've just had a lunch. So we've got fish and chips, nuggets and chips, and cheeseburger. So now we've just stopped at the beach. The name of the beach is, I'll tell you later. I can't remember the name of the beach, but it's a nice beach as you can see here. So yeah, you got the nature, the mountains, you got nice boats here, and people's swimming in the water. So with relaxing, nice color water. Some people are doing diving, scuba diving. So yeah, it's really nice. So we were thinking to swim here, but probably we'll swim close to our place where we're staying. Yeah, so see you later. Petit blanc là, je te tire ça, tu veux manger?
Về vậy hả? Về về bà lắm hả? Có chỉ là hợp đá. Ba bon hả? Cái đời lửa.
Dans ces jupes là.
Giờ đi quanh mệt sao?
Cái này toàn gì nè chú. Gì phải đó cũng sao hả? Nó có bảo là
Ay, mamá, mo si steering no. What? Usé? Usé?
kita bagi kita.
Oh. Oh my god, finally here, guys. Huh? Oh wow. We made it, guys. Oh my god. I went everywhere.
On our way back, we stopped by a small beach on Polone Road close to Del Place restaurant. The tide was low and you won't believe, guys, we tried to walk to the small island in front of us. It was lots of fun but at the same time scary because there were heaps of sea urchins and we couldn't see properly where to put our feet. Luckily, we made it to the island. There was a guy there, looks like security man, and then we noticed it was a private island. We think that it must be one of the Arab private villas. So we took some quick pictures, said bye to the security man and got back in the water. The tide was changing, so we had to be quick. Sorry guys, we couldn't film as we have to swim in some areas. And thank God we made it safe to the beach. Thank you for watching and exploring Seychelles with us. Feel free to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more island escapes. Stay tuned guys, we'll see you on our next video. Thank you, bye!